In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Square payments to Squarespace. If you want to give your customers another way to pay through your Squarespace store, connecting Square is a simple process and only takes a few moments once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Squarespace so you can get this set up smoothly. To begin, log into your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're inside the main admin area, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where Squarespace keeps the key configuration options for your website, including store, payments, and business-related tools. After the settings panel opens, find and click Selling. This section is specifically for commerce features, so if your site includes products, services, or any form of online payments, this is the area you'll be working in. Opening Selling takes you into the tools that control how customers browse, buy, and complete checkout on your site. Next, click Payments. This is the section where your payment methods are managed. In other words, this is where you choose how your customers can pay when they reach checkout. If you've already connected other providers, you may see them listed here as well. Once you're on the Payments page, select Square. This tells Squarespace that you want to use Square as one of your payment processors. Make sure you choose the Square option carefully so you're connecting the correct provider for your business setup. After selecting Square, go ahead and connect your account. Squarespace will guide you through the connection flow, and you'll likely be taken to Square's authorization screen to sign in and approve the link between the two platforms. Just follow the prompts on screen to complete the connection. As you do this, double check that you're connecting the correct Square account, especially if you manage more than one business. Using the right account helps avoid issues with payouts, reporting, and order tracking later on. Once the connection is complete, it's a good idea to return to the payments area and confirm that Square now appears as connected and active. That gives you a quick visual confirmation that everything is set up properly. And that's it. You've now added Square payments to Squarespace. From here, your customers should be able to use that payment option during checkout, depending on your store configuration and region. If you're setting this up for the first time, it's also smart to review your checkout settings afterward to make sure the customer experience looks exactly the way you want.